Now that you have a Google slide created, I want to show you how you can add a picture fairly easily without even leaving this page here. If you come up over here where we have tools, and you come down to where it says explore, this will pop open on the side for you. There's a search box in here. You can type up anything that you might want to search for picture for. We can say something like ancient Greece. And it's just like a Google search. We can click images and we will find a bunch of different images that we could use that are all copyright free and available for us. You can click on it to make it big so you can see it. You can insert it from here. You can insert it from here. And then you have a picture right there, just using what we call the explore portion of Google Slides.